first opportunity to see the new building. We're having a regional sales manager meeting along with all of our staff to see the progress that's been made. I have to say I'm absolutely floored with the inventory progress that we've received. Matthew, if you can just start to illustrate here. This first section is a wide aisle due to 10-foot piping. We've got almost all finished good material in its final form to ship out the door already achieved. Some corrections or some additions in the next couple weeks is going to make this 100%. This is what you get on your order coming out of this building, and we build it from the other side.
Hey, this is our first opportunity to see the new warehouse down here in Albany, New York. As you can see, we've got product, and the way this warehouse is set up, it's really quite something. Down that door there, you'll see that's the production side of the building. Product comes in this end, finished goods, and then gets put into the racks. And as we go into the racks, then everything is aisle and bin located to make sure we have optimal picking capacity with the least amount of errors. As we go through, everything goes to the front of the building and then out to you, our customer.
Or rep.
Or rep.
Good morning from Albany, New York. This is Jason Barnes. It's our first time in the new Centrotherm facility. Looking great as we all are contemplating our life choices, and the fall promo of Flex product is coming out. You can get excited now because we've prepared for this moment. Get involved, buy 5 kits, get 1 free. That is a deal. You can put a lot of money in your pocket as a rep. We're very excited about the quantity of inventory. This is what you guys asked for, a bigger warehouse, more inventory. It's here. We've been assured from our team, and just looking at this warehouse, it's given us a lot of confidence as regionals, and look forward to the future working with our reps to really move this product out the door.
First impressions.
Awesome. We've arrived.